Make a great choice today with the 2026 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather seats, tinted glass, 8 speakers, compass. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.